Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you here okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Hey your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is Jammas, 12 days of Christmas, day number 10. Now, today, what I want to share with you is just like a little appetizer. Just something for appetizer. And this is just like one of the few that I'll be trying to show you. This can be done for like you're ringing in the New Year's. You know, New Year at 12 o'clock at night. You don't want to eat no all every rice and peas and baked chicken and barbecue chicken and ribs and then some. You don't want to be eating that at the time of the night. So, I'll be showing you some that you can probably use with fruits and other little ones. But this is just one of a few that I'm sharing with you. Hope you'll appreciate it. Now this one is some mini tuna sandwiches, and that can be used as an appetizer. So what you want is a tin of tuna of your choice, whether in oil or water, properly drained. What you want to do is you want to get, let me rinse my spoon. You want to get, this is one tin of tuna, so you want to get about 2 tablespoons of your mayonnaise of choice in there. You want to get this, you want to make the tuna and the tuna and the mayonnaise come to a smooth paste. You're going to be putting in some finely chopped onions. Put in as much as how you like your onions. Some onions and tuna, they go well. Some people like a lot of onions in their tuna. Some green lime juice. But don't make sure you take the seeds out. You don't want the pulps to come out. You want it with some juice and some pulps. So make sure, say, you know, avine. This one is kind of like it dip on the drought side. Make sure you don't avine any seed. Once the seeds are not in, you're good. You could have need a little more too, but that one look like it have drought. So let's get these out of the way. The main aim here now is to get your tuna and your mayonnaise come to a smooth paste. Okay, you can take up that's a clean towel, and that is why you must always have your thing all clean. Let us go now. Like this, you're doing it, you're bringing it to a nice spread. Okay, we're gonna go do that and return to show you how we're going to proceed to put them little mini sandwiches here together. Okay, now family, all properly put together, smooth, all of that. Okay, you want to have maybe you might need a little salt depending on your mayonnaise. I did not want any salt. Okay, so you need bread, lightly buttered, but you have to know how you're buttering your bread, that when you lock them together you have the two ends here. Okay, so you don't butter them that when you lock them you see them look so you got to know how to butter your bread. You see what I'm saying? Okay, now you're gonna need some cheese, optional, but it will make it nice. So you put your bread there, your cheese there, and you put your cheese here, or you put it right there and right there. Now you're gonna be spreading your thing on top of your cheese. So you want to go like this. You take up a small amount, because this one tin of tuna with these 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise goes a long way. It will give you a lot of these sandwiches. Okay, so you want to do it, make sure you're doing it properly. So you want it to hold the cheese down, and you want to make sure it has enough to go to the ends. Because after time you go places, all of them big hotel there, and when you go there and you get the sandwich, when you not a god thing, some part of the bread not there. So you want to get this other slice of bread now right on top there. Make sure you think okay, and you want to put it down properly. If there is any little spill, you can just use your knife just to get it right in there and all of that. Okay, now you're gonna need a serrated knife. So you're gonna get it right down like this. So you're gonna need to remove the edges, you know, because you know, for presentation, you know, normally serve it with the edge of the bread. Not at all. Okay, like a deli thing you depend. Yeah, but you make it look fancy. You make it, even though you're at home, you're making it fancy. So look here, let us go get off all of these, just showing you the whole idea. Don't cut it too sparingly though. Get off enough that you get them off. So let us show you. So this is what it looks like. Let us get it. Right? And you have it looking like that. We can take off another little piece and let it remain on the square. We're going to fix up the other one and return to you. Okay? Okay, now, so we have dressed them and them look like them ready for the road. So you want to get this in here in 3 different parts. So you hold it and you take your time, go through with the serrated knife. Okay? Serrated knife. Down. So you need sandwich bread for this, okay family? You need some sandwich bread. I forgot to tell you. Soft, nice bread. They call them sandwich bread. You're supposed to know what I'm talking. So now that you get that, you want to get each one of these into 2. Make sure they are like equal. So you're getting them into 2. Now you want to use some toothpick because you need to decorate these little sandwiches. Okay, it's appetizer, so them have to look pretty. Appetizer is something that wets your palate, figure stuff your belly. Okay, so this is a little piece of sweet pepper that we took out the seeds and stuff, and we cut them in pieces like this. Now you want to use the outer part to put on the bread. You know what, put on the bread we are draining up. Okay, and then the tomato cut into little slices like these. I'll show you how to cut the tomato. So you turn it up and you put it there, and then you stick it right onto the bread. Then you'll have your platter. Then you will put it right there. Okay, so when you come, you will just hold the toothpick, and this is your perfect. This is just 1 little serving. Okay, let me show you again. You're gonna have your sweet pepper. Take out the middle. You must know that, family. I wouldn't have to show you that. Cut it down in strips. So you want to use this part. Let me show you how to do the tomato. Okay? You're going to have the tomato like this. So you take out this part here. Remember to take out this part of the tomato. So you want to take off that. And I did not use a serrated knife. So you want to cut the tomato like this. Cut it like this. And like this again, and then you go right down, and then you cut these straight across, almost like how you do in the bread. So each piece now would go on top here of you'd have the bell pepper here, bottom part, and here, and you take your toothpick and you put it right here. Put it here in the tomato first, then you let it go right down through the bell pepper. And then you put it right down into your little mini sandwich, and this is what you have. Isn't that pretty? We're gonna go now, and I want to say something to you. I want to show you how economical this can be. This is just 1 tin of tuna with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You see how much filling we have? And you can make sandwiches to feed a multitude. This look like a 5 loaves and 2 fishes. Comment. We're gonna go finish it and present to you. Comment. This is gonna feed the multitude. So okay now family, this is your nice little platter. We could have some more put around it. This is just like a whole, like, you know, appetizing. This is appetizing ideas. This is an appetizer. It can be for baby shower, it can be for birthday parties. Just showing you how you can do your thing at home. Save a buck. You can use, you know, a little tuna. You could even use sardine too, you know, and you squeeze your thing, and it shows you, look how much you have left to make even more than you have here. The holidays are coming up. A lot of people are going to host, peer hosting at this peer dinner party and all of that, and you want to do it in a sequence, like from appetizer to main course to dessert and all of that. Okay, so from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your Christmas dinner table, and also to your palate, it is just a little tuna appetizer, mini tuna sandwiches used as appetizers. Please do enjoy. Now family, you good at hear some old heavy equipment in there. I must turn up the pressure on my water. So you might hear a little of that in the background. I am apologizing for that. They're out on the avenue and they have some cranes sitting out there. I can't do anything about that. I'm just so sorry. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to leave your comments below. I did tell you that I was coming with some appetizer. So I'll be coming with fruits and some other ones. Please be on the lookout for them. I wanted to get even one inside the 12 days of Jammas. So this is it. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Hot thumbs up the videos. Thumbs up when you do subscribe. Remember to hit the bell. When you hit the bell, leave your comments below. That is how you'll be a member of the post notification crew. Today's post notification shout out goes to up for now. Okay? And that's just it. Debbie from Donga Yard. Bless. No stress.